Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge isupport nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezulu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
In South Africa, if you pay lobola, automatically you are married in community of property. No munga kokota wa keep 150 rand. It's marriage. Customary marriage is automatic in community of property. The second one is out of community of property with accrual.
Niyazwela gents ne? Just ukulobola nje. Just ukulobola. Noma ungayiqedanga inyuku. Just ukulobola nje ngicela niyazi leyo. Ngicela uphinde lapho boy.
No munga keep a half. No munga tsiyo kokota. There's no such thing as ukokota. It's a cultural practice and conversation that has started taking place, and therefore it can wound up and be proved as marriage should it end up in court.
Ngolesihlanu ngeviki eliphelile uGaten Mackenzie wenza ivideo lapha bekasazisa khona ukuthi ngolwesibili uzoresigna, sizoyibona iresignation letter yakhe as uMinister we-Sports, Arts and Culture. Nanokuthi kuwo wonke ama-coalition abanawo ne-ANC bazophuma kuwo. Lufikile kulwesibili lwaze lwedlula akaresignanga uGaten. Kule video manje ngifisa sikhulume ngalolo daba, ngikuchazele kungani engaresignanga uGaten. Futhi ngiyafisa ukuphendula umbuzo othi ngabe uGaten ubeqamba manga na. Phamba singene kulolu daba lika Gaten, ngifisa ukungena kumkhakha engazi ukuthi angikhulumi ngawo. Kodwa isizathu senza ukuthi ngingene kuwo sisodwa ukuthi lento esizoyithinta namuhla ithinta impilo zethu. Kulamaviki adlule siyesakhava udaba luka former deputy president wale country uDidi Mabuza mayelana nomndeni wakhe, indodakazi yakhe ethathe umndeni awusenkantolo. Kubangwa ke udaba lolu lwe pension fund yakhe ebalelwa ku 44.7 million.
Hi guys, Big Brother here. So David Mabuza's daughter was successful in her court case to stop Alexandra Forbes from paying out 44 million pension payout that was due to her stepmother. Now, what lessons are we learning from this, ladies and gentlemen, is one, if you were lobolad, make sure you divorce. Make sure you divorce. You can't just call off the lobola, or you can't just call off because you never signed anything and think that you will get away with it. Two, if you are supporting anyone, guys, if you are sending monies to anyone, they can come and claim. They can say that they were your dependents. Even if you have nominated beneficiaries in your pension fund, they will always decide based on who you are supporting.
Thatha isinqumo sokuthi kungcono kube khona izifundo sizozithola mayelana nje nalento eyenzeka lapha emndenini kaDidi Mabuza. Akusizi ukubuka lolu daba sikhulume ngalo kodwa kungabi nalutho esilifundayo kulo. Ngiyingakho ngithema iqala le video ngakufakela uWitness Mdaka wayikhuluma noDJ Sbu. Ekhuluma nje ngokulotsholwa ukuthi umuntu olotsholiwe ngokomthetho waseSouth Africa lo muntu ushadile in community of property. Ushado umshado ohlanganisa amafa, ngihamba olanda incwadi yakhe nje, marriage certificate yakhe lapha Home Affairs. So ngifisa nje sibheke lezo zinto lezo ngoba bakhona abantu abangekho aware. Okwesibili, nanokuthi kwi-pension fund yakho kukhona abantu wena ongahlosanga ukuthi babenefite kodwa bangagcina sebebenefita kuyo. Yingakho ke ngithi lo mkhakha kuwona wami bakhona abantu abawazi kangcono, kodwa lama video ambalwa esizowacaphuna la azokupha isithombe. Mose ufuna ulwazi oluthe ukubalinengana ngalolu daba, uzobusuxhumana nalabo bantu, uzobusuxhumana nommeli ukwazi ukuyihlela lezo zinto senethuba. Ngicela uzwe la.
Umthetho uthi customary law is a marriage, a customary marriage is a marriage that is recognized in terms of the Recognition of Customary Marriages Act. Fanele ukuthi lo mshado loyo ukhulunywe uvunywe yilabantu abazoshada. They have to be legal age, which is 18, and then fanele futhi celebrate ngokosiko. emva kwalokho ke sekuphelile ke you are recognized as customarily married. So ngamanye amagama la sithi if ubhuti uzosenda incwadi ekhaya yelobola hayi mina ngeza ngizoshada uzolambatha ngicela ukuzolobola ngomhla ka14 August which was my birthday by the way maybe fika ngalelo langa by virtue of the letter arriving ekhaya sengivumile I have consented as a woman ukuthi yeah ungayiletha incwadi I've now consented to this customary marriage basically ngi over 18 I've consented mefika ekhaya kuvulwa amasango khona imali webekayo sengizoyisho ngesizulu khona imali webekayo phansi kuthiwe sivula isango ngale mali sivula umlomo masibanikwa ukudla okay mephuma leyo bhuti ngalelo langa kulelo gate sekashadile noZola in community of property akadingi ukukhokha ilobola. The three requirements
this is before kukhokha ilobola.
Yes, it's before Koki Lobola.
Imazoli, and you just said we in community. So what defines?
Baningi abantu abashadile kodwa abazi futhi umshado wabo uhlanganisa amafa okwami okwakho kodwa abazi umuntu wazi ukuthi ulotshole kuphela umuntu useyingoduso akayena makoti angifuni ukuchaza into eningi futhi angeke ngize ngichaze into eningi inhloso yami ukuya kulolu daba luka Didi Mabuza kodwa sithola izifundo kulolu daba kufanele sithola izifundo ngento eyenzeke kuDidi Mabuza sithathe mhlambe lokho kwenzekile kuye singakuthatha njengamaphutha kithi kube zifundo ezizokwenza ukuthi singangene singawenza amaphutha afanayo so ngenzela sazi uma ngabe uhleli ulotsholwe noma ulobolile funa wazi ngokomthetho South Africa ushadile umshado ohlanganisa amafa okwami ngokwakho ukulowo mshado ngokomthetho South Africa angishilo ngathi angifuna ukuchaza into eningi ngicela uzwe la
kubalekile ukuthi ngifuna ukunixwayisa kakhulukazi abantu besilisa because ibona who are generous with girlfriend allowances imibhejo so I need you guys to understand how scary and how effective Section 37C of the Pension Fund Act is. If as a man you were giving your girlfriend an allowance of say 500 to 1,000 rand a month, whatever the case may be, and you are using an e-wallet, that renders your girlfriend a factual dependent of your pension fund. If you as a man were taking care of your girlfriend's child that is not biologically yours, and you have paid school fees using an EFT, or your girlfriend has proof of you paying their school fees, that renders their child a factual dependent of your pension fund. I've done a lot of estates where the wife and the children have been abused by girlfriends, side chicks, because the guy sends e-wallets and they submit this e-wallet to the trustees as proof of dependency. And, trustees, I'm not really happy with the level and class of trustees that are being selected to distribute lump sum of pension funds because ngizoyisho ngesizulu lento le khona ngekuphathe abantu kabi uzothola kunabelungu abahleli kwi-trust of board of trustees and but decide kwi-pension ya Buthelezi. For example, Buthelezi una 10 million accumulated in pension, whatever caused him to accumulate such a while of pension fund. And akubathembi kahle abelungu when it comes to generational wealth for abantu abamnyama because they will intentionally distribute that 10 million to 10 side chicks, all of them of course baphethe proof ya e-wallet eyodwa ya 500 rand. They would rather but distribute a lot 10 million, give $1 million to each of the side chicks, then have a wife and her children have at least majority so that the family can retain generational wealth. Engazuthi kune mission yokuthi ngabi ne generational wealth for abantu bethu, and basizwa by the promiscuous behavior of amadoda amnyama abhiza azalisa ngaphandle or abhiza yajola or abhiza anakekela ingane zamanye amadoda ahluleka ukunakekela ingane zawo. So I'm very disappointed in the way that I've watched. I've administered estates for the past 11 years. I've inherited abantwana babelungu imali ama-millions, but abantu abamnyama bafingisha ukufika ku-5 million because kuhlezi kune drama.
Njengoba umuzwa kusisi lo uzolambatha uye lo okade umbone ekhuluma manje ilo wayikhuluma kuGagasi kule ngiqeda kukucaphuna ebengicaphunelela yona ngaphambi kwale nkulumo le. Ezinye zezinto lezi efuna sikhulume ngazo ngelinye ilanga ukuthi i-girlfriend for ukuthi ake yathola imali indoda yamsendela i-wallet cash send iyakwazi ukuhlomula kwi-pension fund. Girlfriend ingane ongayizali for a fact ukuthi ubethumela imali ethumela unina waleyo ngane leyo bayakwazi ukuhlomula. Kodwa ke lokho bathi kusizwa ukuziphatha kwamadoda. Bathi ukusizwa ukuziphatha kwamadoda nokunconywa kuthiwa uyisoka. Unconywe ubonakala ukuthi no umshayi wesinqi angiyeke futhi lonto leyo. Ngiqhubeke nale ngoba izongikhipha kulesihloko lesesikuso. Ngabukela omunye ummeli abakamnyengeza attorneys banamavideo abawenza la ku YouTube. Kukhona abayenze no Boni Life Reset with Boni bakhulumile kakhulu futhi ngale topic bachaza into eziningi. Ngicela uzwe la.
I want to tell you an uncomfortable truth. We're being honest with each other, right? As Kulum. So we're always going to complain about how pension funds are paid out, unfortunately, unless something changes in the law. But we're always going to complain. Why? The reason is simple. It is because your actions are the ones that influence how your pension fund is paid out if you happen to not to cash it out. Your actions contribute to how that pension fund will be paid out. For example, in the video with Uboni on YouTube, I mapped out for you a few of the reasons and your actions that could lead to your pension fund being paid to other additional people that you never wanted, it to be paid to. For example, there are people who continuously have children outside of wedlock. Automatically, such children have a right to claim from your pension fund. There are people who also have extramarital partners who they are taking care of religiously. Automatically, those people have a right to come and claim your pension fund after your death. So irrespective of what you have written down, these people are going to be considered. Now, the problem is here. Even though people hear that the actions are the ones that influence the decision of the trustees in terms of how they're going to distribute this pension fund, they still don't want to change. You still don't want to change. You're sitting in the little corner there. You can hear, Hore, you need to change your actions. You don't want to. You don't want to. And you want to complain about how pension funds are paid out. And you're sitting there saying that it will never happen. It will happen. For example, people don't understand why a child that's not biologically theirs could end up inheriting their pension fund after their death. Why are you taking care of the child if that's not your intention? Your actions are critical. Now, the question is, are you willing to change your actions? Think about it.
Ayikho indoda ethi mayihlela ithi funa pension fund yayo inheritwe noma itholwe intombi zayo noma ingaba nazi intombi ama-side chicks kodwa isuke yazi ukuthi i-pension fund yayo fanele iye kumndeni wayo. Ayikho indoda ethi le pension fund funeka iyonakekela ingane kaSibongile uma ngabe uSibongile athandana nayo noma uzodwa noma uNthapsengi noma uPalisa noma ubani. Ingane angayizali yena akekho kwenzayo lokho. Kodwa ngenxa yokuthi ubeyisupporta lengane ngoba ethandana nonina wayo, leyo ngane iyakwazi ukuclaima ibenefit. Zigcina izingane zakhe zingasatholanga ifa lakhe ngokupheleleyo. Ngizocaphuna ivideo yokugcina manje kulezi ifundo esizifundayo bese singena odabeni kaTiti Mabuza bese singena odabeni le-PA bese siyayivala ivideo.
What's the silliest thing you've ever heard in the cases that you've seen where somebody's like, I'm not going to pay maintenance?
A man quits his job. So can I have a sip of water? For instance, in this child maintenance matter, if, for instance, your husband, right, has a child out of wedlock, right, without you knowing, ne? And you guys are married in community property, and he says, I can't afford, I can subpoena you in court and subpoena your bank statements so that you can pay maintenance.
Wabona le lo buti ayenzile ya go quita mmereko. I'm sure nka o quit.
Yes. Oh, the men will come. Oh, she trapped me. Oh, I love that. And I'm just like, okay, so you are having unprotected sex. What were you expecting? A flower. Maintenance is until 18 or self-sufficient. So self-sufficient could be any time. Could be at 30. Could be 40. Yeah. You cannot stop a child from seeing their father or having contact or access just because he's not paying. He will take you to maintenance court. He will get an order of interim. He will get access. You will deny him because you will get your contempt of court.
Elukuzuphala kwakho la ku comment section. Asidluleke kulolu daba. Ngicabanga ukuthi izifundo ezimbalwa sesizitholile. Angizukwenaba kakhulukazi noma kuthiwa kukhona ulwazi enginalo kodwa angizukwenaba ngoba kuwona umkhakha engigxile kakhulu kuwo. Asiqhubeke sibuyele kuyipolitiki esijwayele ukukhuluma ngayo. Indodakazi ke kaDidi Mabuza iluwinile icala ngoba ipension fund beyizoya ku stepmother sakhe lo esasa sakhe lo sisi. Umuntu obezothola nje wonke lo mnotho bekuyi stepmother sakhe lo ntombazana. Then ke base ngefamily bathi akakwazi ukuthi athole wonke lo mnotho. And abakuveza abomndeni bathi esaphila uDidi Mabuza lo sisi lo oyistepmother noma lo nkosikazi kaDidi Mabuza oyistepmother kulabantwana laba abakhona kaDidi Mabuza babakhona nabangazalelwanga emshadweni abazalwa ngabanye omama. Ubekuyena o-responsible, bekuyena obafakela imali njalo kuphela kwenyanga, uyena obeka. Yingakho mhlawumbe uDidi Mabuza ethe i-beneficiary akube yilo nkosikazi wami ngoba vele ubebanakekela ngesikhathi ngiphila. Ngicabanga ukuthi noma sengidlulile ngabanakekela uba lo muntu uyena muntu njalo ngenyanga obethatha imali afakele lezi ngane zonke ngokwehlukahlukana kwazo. Yingakho mhlawumbe uDidi Mabuza emnominatile as i-beneficiary kodwa abomndeni bathi cha akukwazi ayihlukaniswe kahle ngoba uyazi nemakuze emalini imali iyakwazi ukushintsha umfundisi ahambiswe kwesigebengu. So ngizocaphuna ke manje ivideo yomndeni, ngicaphuna ivideo kaNdodakazi ezalo uDidi Mabuza bese ngicaphunela isizathu esenza ukuthi uGayton Mackenzie angakhwithi noma angaresign ku-GNU. Cela uzwe la.
For the judgment today, as a Mabuza family, we can say we're very much happy because this is what we have been looking for the funds not being paid out to a single or a sole beneficiary. So we are so happy when the judge said these funds must be withheld until some of the questions or information come forth. But now our main focus was to stop the funds being paid to one person, that is Ms. Mnisi. And when the judge said to Alexandra Forbes, they must come prepared to tell the court and the public why this money must be paid to one beneficiary, I think we welcome that. Our challenge was one with this one person being the stepmom to all these kids. She was the one who was depositing money for them in their different places. But now she acts as if she don't know them. Now the only child that exists is her child. That is being unfair. And when the judge said to us, we must just sit down as a family and sort this matter, I think the sitting down period has lapsed, actually. We are not going to sit down. The matter is in court now. So, and the problem is with one person. As a family, we are united. We are behind the kids, but just one person that decided to be greedy and selfish. So that's our problem. We're not going to, if we want to sit down with who? With who? Because we're not even allowed to go in our brother's place. So where are we going to find this one person? So we are happy. We're not going to sit down. This matter is in court now. We'll finalize the case here at court because she wanted that. If she was human enough, she should have called the Mabuza family and the kids to distribute this. So now, because she thinks she's clever and greedy, this is where it has led us to come here. So now we are more comfortable to deal with this matter here in court. Thank you.
Mzuleko udadewabo kaDidi Mabuza uthi umama lo obethanda noDidi Mabuza usebenzisa ubugreed ngoba imali seyiza kuye. Angazi ke noma umuntu uyazinominate yena naye as beneficiary angazi. Kodwa mhlawumbe wanominate umkhwena wakhe angeke sikhulume lo ndaba. Futhi nembono yabantu bihlukene ingakho ngithe cha asingahambi nalo moya olapha ku comment lapha abantu bethi khona yona lo akaganile ngane uzothola ubengazwani nomfowabo njengoba sekakhuluma kanje uzothola ukuthi manje sebeqala ukusondela ngoba sekunemali ekugcine lo mama ubekuyena obewevuka noDidi Mabuza ibiningi kimbono yabantu ehlukene siyayazi sonke ukuthi imndeni injani siyayazi ukuthi imndeni injani siyazazi udaba oludumile ukuthi bethi hawu angeke nihlupheke ingane ekabhuti noma ekasisi sikhona mbasho ngesikhathi abazali beni bedlulile emhlabeni emveni kwalapho nihlupheka ngempela bekhona so angifunanga ukungena kulezo zinto kodwa nje yena uthi uyasemukela isinqumo ingakho ngithe njengoba kusho yena ukuthi lo mama ubewunaka lo mndeni uyena obekafakela lezi ngane le mali mhlambe isona sizathu esenza ukuthi uDidi Mabuza athi no lo muntu angaba ibeneficiary ngoba uyena umuntu futhi ozinakayo lezi ngane ubuyena ozifakela imali angicaphunele ndodakazi uzwe yena ukuthi uthini.
Okay. You better smile.
Oh, I'm intimidating you.
The body must look into the camera. Intimidating. I'm happy with the outcome today. Due to the fact that we're now rushing everything we are doing. We must not lose the money. The money must not go to one person and stuff. So when now the judge is putting still to this process, it gives Alexandra time enough to identify properly all of our father's dependents and child and all of those things properly, and any other issues that can be sorted out in Yalo, they won't be in a rush. Yeah, because I think Inigo that was rushing everyone to court and doing all of this because the money was very close into being awarded to one person.
For me, just briefly tell us about your relationship with your stepbrother, maybe before your father passed and after. Who's the losing figure at this point?
No, I haven't had one, especially me, culprit, for a long time. My little siblings after me, they do have, but they haven't had almost for 6 years. The relationship hasn't been good. But for me, it's way longer than that. Yeah, so yeah.
And at this point, how is it now? Is it strained because of this, or?
Let's say it moves from west to anything worse than west, yeah, because yes, but it wasn't in a bad way where we couldn't have spoken about anything, because I understood her as a wife, living with a politician, someone always busy, someone who's never at home, you see, what she could be going through and all of that, you see. So I would have given that benefit of the doubt now when she said, let's sit and talk. Yeah, well, I wasn't close to her because I still have my mom, so I'm very close with my mom. I hardly even just go and hang around my dad's house. Yeah, well, so.
The court ordered that you sit down and try and sort this thing out amicably amongst yourselves before coming back to court. What was your take on that?
It's a good advice, of which For now, I'm skeptical ukuthi how easy is it going to be. It's almost like inil when hlulane and then like asenzini when be entohlala phansi and really discuss. People are wounded, people are guarded, people, some are hungry for things you don't know. So to come to one space and say let's talk properly about this thing, because everyone suddenly now feels entitled. Because that's what we are looking at this moment. Everyone feels entitled. They don't care about if he had kids, if he and any other thing. So everyone feels entitled. So I hope we will find a way as a family. We will definitely gonna try. But it's going to be the most hardest thing we do, because it's a family against Abafas that come from their own homes, different backgrounds, of which is Tsongele's. They only dealt with our father only, not as a family. They've never done their kotita duties to make it easy and understand so we will try in that route, hopefully to avoid Buya Futsila.
Wena inkulumo kaNdodakazi ichaza likhulu. Uthi everyone feels entitled manje. Sekhona nabantu abazibona fanele bayithola, kufuneka ba benefit. Kulo 44.7 million sekufuneka kunabantu afuneka bahlomule. Angithi uyakhumbula kulama video esiwafakile kule ifundo engithe asizithole ukuthi ngisho igirlfriend obuyinakekela ngisho uma ingaprove nje ukuthi ubuyinakekela uma ingakhipha nje iwallet ithi cha ubenginaka izohlomula nanso ke inkinga ekhona ithi inkantolo abawuhlala phansi njengomndeni bakhulume kungcono and okwesibili akubekayo ukuthi wona lama girlfriend awakazi azakotiza ngisho ukotiza kwaMabuza awawazi ngisho umthetho kwaMabuza kodwa manje ngoba sekunemali bafuna ukuhlomula so kufanele bakhulume uthi futhi abanye abacabangi nokuthi unanezingane so uyabona kube lolu daba bekuzothiwa abantu kufuneka bahlomule kulo mnotho noma kule mali eshoti iDimabuza akube zingane zakhe zonke nonkosikazi wakhe bekungakuhle nami lokho bengakusupport ukuthi hayi cha wena mama uyaziwa ukuthi ubuhlala noDimabuza futhi uzinaka lezi ngane hlukaniselana nina kodwa naba nodadewabo nabo mabengaprove ukuthi bebedepende kuye fanele bazuze yingakho kusenkantolo kukhulunywa lolu daba ilikhuni ngelendaba ilikhuni ngempela ilukhuni hayi kancane angidlule kulolu daba kodwa nje into ebihamba phambili kimi ukuthi asike sizixoxe lezi zinto ngoba uma singazixoxi kuzokonakala sesilixoxeleke lolu daba kaDimabuza asicaphune udaba luka Gayton siyazi ukuthi uGayton ukuresigna kwakhe bekune condition ubethe uma bengambuyiseli uKenny Kunene endaweni yakhe MMC uzo resigna ngoLesihlanu ufungisiwe ke uKenny Kunene kwiCouncil lokho kusho ukuthi iANC ivumile into ebisho uGayton ngichazile futhi izizathu zokuthi ukuphuma kwePA kuGNU akuzukuba namthelela kodwa kungayilimazi iANC ngoba iPA iyipuppet yeANC noma yini esho iANC PA iyayivuma manje beyizoba ne-challenge iANC yokuthi ithole abantu abazovuma yonke into noma kuthi iyabheda njenge-PA ngicela ukucaphunela nansi ivideo.
This meeting has put to bed the issue of the resignation of the press or us withdrawing from coalitions. It has put it to bed. The proposals made sense, and we are quite excited, National Chair, TG.
Indeed, TP, indeed. You know, I think I'll give you the shortest version of everything then. We've got homework to do as the Patriotic Alliance. Like the DP has eloquently put it, that it wasn't just one agenda item that we then came with. We took advantage of this opportunity that we had to meet with the leadership of the African National Congress.
Bahlalile phansi babonisana bafika la bavumelana khona. Ngakho ke angeke aze resign u18. Okwesibili ngeke baze baphume kuma coalitions. Ngiyazi ukuthi abantu bazothi hayi ngenxa ama blue light yebo anomthelela nawo kodwa iANC futhi okunye futhi efuna siqaphele u18 as much as ama blue light ewathanda kodwa u18 unayo imali yakhe njengosomabhizinisi nje unayo imali yakhe engasurvive akafani nomuntu ongena business obheka ukuthi kufuneka khole lapha eParliament kuphela angasithatha leso sinqumo kodwa u18 ukuyiposition eright uzipositione kahle enzela ukuthi iANC abe yisethenjwa kuyo njengoba ngisho mina ushilo nanokusho nangolesihlanu wathi njengoba kune motion of no confidence eyafakwa iMK party against uPresident Ramaphosa bangacabanga ukuthi ngenxa lezi inkinga yena uzovota against uRamaphosa ngeke akwenze lokho nakulokho bekusayindlela yakhe ukuzimaketha kuANC ukuthi hey ngiyangibona ukuthi ngisesengakini so iANC kufuneka ikhethe bekufuneka ikhethe iANC uyabona into engakutshela yona ngeANC ngakutshela nje mahala ngingakhokhisi lutho when it comes to power when it comes to protecting a power ANC will do whatever it takes they will do whatever it takes ngeke bavuma ukulahlekelwa ipower ukuluza iPA kuyiloss kuANC ngoba iPA ANC mayithi manje asibulala abantu base South Africa ipolitical party yokuqala ezobe ihambelana neANC yodwa iPA kuze iIFP kuze iGood iboss ayisingxenye eGNU kodwa izohambelana neANC funeka lokho sikuqonde siyakwazi sikubonile bathi bepropose indaba yeVAT iPA iIFP iBossa iGood babethi ya i-right leVAT ikhuphuke ngoba yayisisho njalo iANC manje nawe nje iANC angeke uvuma ukulahlekelwa yilabo bantu ulahlekelwa abantu abazobuye bathi hayi lena sizwe sesi le mana wo angeke uzovuma na ufuna laba ithingithingana zakho uzothi mawuthi sibheka le bangabuzi into eningi bave baphenduke babheke le mina nawe sidibana kwevideo elandelayo ngicela ukuzuphala kwakho la comment section ngiyabonga kakhulu ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe ungakhohlwa ukushare ungakhohlwa ukulike